Back on the channel with the first video of this new year, and also a happy new year for all of you. I wish you all the best and all your dreams to come true. Also, one of my dream would be for all of you guys to like my videos and share it to many people, even if my videos are good or probably not so perfect like you expected. As you can see right now, Samsung One UI 6.0 arrives with many new features and improvements such as enhanced privacy, redesigned widgets and better multitasking. One of the parts of the Samsung camera that has received a significant upgrade is the Watermark feature with One UI 6.0. The camera Watermark feature allows users to add custom text or logos to their photos through several customization options. Here today you can see 3 improvements of the Samsung One UI 6.0 camera Watermark feature that you should know. And in order to do any modification, we have to go to the camera, and from the camera go on settings, and right here we got Watermark. And here on Watermark you can disable or enable if you prefer to. And we are on the main menu right here. As you can see, we got the Galaxy A52 5G model, and one of the first improvement would be on alignment. As you can see right now, we are at the bottom right side of these settings, and now you can choose to go on the right or left, but also you can choose if it's on the top to leave it on the right, center or left side, and also you can do the same on the bottom side, because you can choose left, center or right, because previously user could only choose between left or right alignment for their watermarks. Also, being on the model name right here, we can edit that, and let's say instead of Galaxy A52 5G, Galaxy S24 Ultra to make it funny. And let's say we got one of the best camera in the world right now, Galaxy S24 Ultra. Of course, it's a joke right now, but you can put this text, it's a custom text, so you can choose whatever you want to, because it's gonna stay like that. Another improvement would be also on the font, because if you can see right now on the font we got default. So previously user could choose from 3 fonts: Roboto, Samsung Sharp Sans and Noto Serif. As you can see right now, these fonts are still available, but now user can also choose the default font with One UI 6.0, which matches the system font of their device. So at this moment it's set up on default, as you can see right now. So we can choose from the main settings a different font, and it's gonna match on that menu. So let's go on settings and tap font. I choose already. And from here we can tap on font size and display. Font size one more time, font size, and now we got Samsung One. Also we can choose Gothic bold, let's say, and it's gonna make it more stronger, as you can see right now. And let's go back right here, and yeah, on the main menu you can see already it's everything modified. Okay, Roboto and default. Let's leave it on default. So now this font is gonna match the system font of the device. And the last improvement would be on enhanced user interface. So One UI 6.0 also improved the user interface of the Watermark feature. Instead of 2, now there are 3 tabs for choosing shooting date, time and photo model information or custom text. And those 3 tabs are these ones: custom, date and time. With custom we already play, because we can choose different text if you edit that. So you can choose a different text, add your name on the device and so on. Also we got date, you can choose date to put it right here. And also this tab lets user add the date of when the photo was taken to their photos, such as right now 2nd January 2024, or this one 2nd January 2024, or if you prefer like this. I probably prefer like this, short, not too much. And also we got the time. You can add the time into the settings, as you can see right now. So add the time when the photo was taken to their photos, such as 11:26 a.m. or like this 11:26, but probably I prefer to see if it's AM or PM. So as you can see, this new Samsung One UI 6.0 yes arrives with many features and improvements, and you can play a lot with this new UI from Samsung. You can modify, customize your device in so many ways. As you can see, probably it's a minor feature, but probably important for many other people, this watermark feature, which honestly I don't use it that much into my photos, but it looks quite interesting right now because you can customize in so many ways, and you can even add a new custom title or name. You can choose the date, time, font, and so much. And now at the end of this video, give it a like and share it so many other people can find this video. You may find it interesting, or you may find the new cool interesting features that they can play with this new One UI 6.0 from Samsung. So all the best, and thank you again.